I'm Greek, and so you already know that we love and appreciate a good olive oil. And if you're looking for a truly premium olive oil for dipping salads or finishing dishes, this one has seriously impressed me. This is Atlas Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil, and it's a single origin Moroccan olive oil that's grown in estate bottled on a one family owned estate. And it comes packaged very well in layers and layers of bubble wrap and in this solid glass dark bottle. And it is also quite impressive to see all of the certifications and awards that this olive oil has received. And it makes it easy to see why it's the #1 best-selling olive oil on Amazon. The first thing that I noticed was the flavor. It's incredibly smooth with subtle fruity notes and just a slight peppery finish that lets you know you're getting a high quality extra virgin olive oil. I love using it as a dipping oil with fresh, crusty bread because the flavor really shines on its own. You can actually taste the difference compared to many grocery store olive oils. And of course, you can always add balsamic vinegar or other fresh herbs to it, but it really is so good just all by itself. I've been using this on salads, roasted vegetables, and even drizzled over grilled chicken, and it's become one of those pantry staples I keep reaching for. The flavor is rich, but without being overpowering. What I appreciate most is that it's 100% single source and never blended with lower quality oils, and it's organic, cold pressed, and comes from an award-winning Moroccan estate known for producing exceptionally high-quality olive oils. If you also enjoy premium olive oils and want something smooth, flavorful, and versatile, I definitely recommend giving Atlas Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil a try. And thank you to the brand for letting me try it out.